God damn it. Almost there. Just a little more.
Still no power.
Check the destination time.
Almost there. Watch the angle. Slow and steady. God, this is worse than I thought. Look at these scratches. Ooh. And this corrosion, wow. All right, hold it steady. Got it. Slow and easy, don't drop it. Just a little more. Wow, look at the state of this. This chassis is completely shot. The suspension looks almost as bad.
Stupid piece of junk. Right, I've got this.
Wow, this looks absolutely flawless. The quality is just incredible.
The ring compressor goes on the piston, ensuring the rings are flush. Now align it with the cylinder block. Steady pressure, let the golden oil guide it in. Perfect fit.
Keep it steady, slow. Almost there. Looks perfect. Nice. Give me the signal. Almost there. Looks perfect, Alex. Yeah, yeah. Feels like new. Slides right into the tracks. Solid. All right, cable's tight, locking in now, just like the movies. All right, caps on, here goes nothing. All right, we're ready. Nice and tight. Perfect. Let's test this baby out. Start, damn it! Start! Yes! That's it! We're back in... Almost there. The numbers are locked. 88. Where am I? What happened to the ice? Hello? Is anyone there? Time travel power engaged.
The future is what you make it. A Doc Brown production.
You're really back. We have a lot of work to do.